Hi, my name is Trevor with Embers. What we're showing you here is going to be a Heat and Glow product. This is their True Series. This is kind of available in a handful of sizes. This particular one's a 36-inch or the smallest in the lineup. What kind of makes this fireplace unique in the Heat and Glow lineup, as well as other fireplaces, is a lot of gas fireplaces. They kind of have a lot of metal or a lot of trim showing. Can be a little chunky from time to time. What the need that this particular fireplace fills is it has a massive viewing area. For only being a 36-inch wide fireplace, we have a lot of large viewing area. You can see the fire goes nearly almost all the way to the floor. Kind of hides the components underneath versus, a lot of fireplaces have a big black strip, then the flame itself. This you see almost all viewing area. We do have the ornate front on it, but if you want a more clean, simple trim, you could do that. So that's what really gives this fireplace some pop, is the clean face design, the big viewing area, the fiber brick panels on the inside that very realistic in detail and herringbone pattern. And then another thing I really like, which is kind of unique to the Heat and Glow lineup, is going to be the LED ember kit. So that in a traditional fireplace, not only do we have a big open fireplace, but on top of that, we have a lot of glowing embers that we're looking at as well. So it's going to be a premium product, kind of a top of the line in the industry, but a lot of good things that we really like with this fireplace, starting with the viewing area. So viewing area is really important to you. Maybe check out the True Series. Another thing you could check out is a Marquis by Majestic. Very similar fireplace in size and a very similar shape and design in there. So again, thanks a lot for checking out this video
Thanks
today.
so much for checking out our channel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking in the upper right hand corner. Thanks a lot for checking out our video today.